Hello Stampers, Kelly Acheson at stampabove.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. So today for my Wait What Wednesday tip video, I thought we'd talk a little bit about the stitched nested dies. Whoops, there we go. My camera wasn't focusing. Sometimes we have items in these dies and we're not quite sure what they are. This tip video came about because I had a customer contact me and say, I'm not really sure what to do with this. Can you help me? Tell me what I'm supposed to do with it. I don't understand it. So let's flip the camera around and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So today I'm going to focus on these stitched nested label dies. Gosh, I can never get that right. That's just such a mouthful. Anyways, it's these shapy ones. I love the stitching. Stitching is very popular right now, but the question came about, what is this? We know what these do. These cut out those shapes, right? But what does this do? So I thought I'd just demonstrate on one of my cards what this does. I've got a 3/4 inch piece of Whisper White cardstock here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run this through my Big Shot and I'll be right back. And actually, I think a better idea is to bring my Big Shot in here and show you how I do this. So I've got a little bit of washi tape. I'm just going to tear off a couple pieces here. Washi tape is nice because it's not too sticky. And what I like to do is take it and stick it to my clothes. On and off a couple times, it's going to make it a lot less sticky. I don't want it to tear my cardstock. So that's what I'm doing here. So I'm just going to position my die. I really need this to be, whoops, I need this to be really straight. That wasn't going to be straight, was it? Okay, you get full sound effects here. There we go. Now we're going to run it through. And probably a better idea would be to stamp it first, but you know, I don't ever like to do anything the easy way, do I? No, I shouldn't say that. I love to do everything the easy way. And now we're going to take this off. And here is our little stitch. So what this did is, just like the rest of these dies that leave the stitching on the edge when it cuts, this just puts the stitching on here. So I thought, well, this would be kind of neat. Let me put this back so I don't lose it. Look at that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I like it. That's what this little piece does. So I don't remember who asked me the question. Doggone it, I wish I did, but I don't. I'm going to take this layer and I am going to, actually, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it like this because that's kind of cool, right? And then remember this card that I made last week? I can put that right on there, and what do you think? So we've got the stitching all around here. The stitching is on this layer also, and now we've got it right here. So there you go. That's what this does. All right. I hope you guys have a wonderful hump day. It is Wednesday, August 14th. And if you do not have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I would love to earn your business. You can pop me an email at kelly@stampabove.com. I would be happy to send you our current catalogs. The holiday mini catalog is right around the corner. You want to get your hands on that. Also, if you do place an order, please use this host code. You can always find that in the right-hand column of my blog. My blog address is right here. You can actually click on this little button up here and it'll take you right to my blog. Don't forget to click down here to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You don't want to miss anything that I have coming out. And we still have, until the end of the month, a fantastic promotion going with our discount shopper kit. When you purchase the kit, it's $99. You get free shipping. You do have to pay your local tax. You get to choose $155 in any product you want from our annual catalog or our holiday mini catalog. What? Yep, that's right. If you buy that discount shopper kit, you can order right now from our holiday mini catalog that has not been released to the public and won't be until September 1st. So if you would like to order that kit, please let me know. I would be happy to help you out with that. It is the best deal of the year. $99, free shipping, you pick $155. But there's more. When you order that kit in August, you will get a $10 coupon to use on your first order or any order in September. So, bam, $165 worth of product for $99 and free shipping. We love free shipping, right? So, let me know if you have any questions. You get a 20% discount on all your future orders, and that's a fantastic deal. Thanks once again for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend it with me. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the week. Bye-bye.